Hello friend, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's go together in this video to have a brief look on the Seiko's automatic mechanical movement, the caliber 7S36. This is pretty common movement and we can find it in the Seiko's 5 automatic mechanical watches. And the main features are that the movement has 23 joules, it runs at 21,600 beats per hour, it has that Seiko Diashock system, which when the movement is fully winded, the power reserve it's approximately 41 hours, and it is no hand winding and no hacking movement. And that means when you will pull the crown and start adjusting the time, the second hand will not stop, and also you cannot hand wind it. This movement includes that Seiko's famous magic lever, which you can see a detail of it right there next to that gold part, and then also below. I'm trying to turn it for you, if you could see the whole thing. Yeah. And these movements are made either in Japan or Malaysia. And this movement is in this Seiko 5 watch, so you can nicely see here that as a complication it measures hours, minutes, seconds and day and date. And this watch is actually Seiko 5 model SNZF17. So my friend, I hope you enjoyed this short video. It might be helpful for you making decision which new watch or an additional watch you want to purchase. Thank you for sticking around. Thank you for watching my channel, and stay tuned because I have and I will have a lot of videos about watches coming your way very soon. See ya!